We're here in South Australia for a bit of a break with the family. We've just dropped into the Salopian Inn, which is one of our favourite restaurants, to pick up a voucher for my parents to say thanks for having us stay with them for the week. And oh my God, they had the most amazing kitchen garden. There is the most extraordinary stuff growing here, and I've asked them if they'll let me come and do a proper tour one day, but in the meantime there's the most beautiful things growing, so I've compiled just a little video highlights reel for you. Pour yourself a cuppa, sit and watch. It is extraordinary, and if you're in South Australia, come and check out the Salopian Inn. They do the best food, and so much of it is grown here on site. We're in the McLaren Vale wine country area, so I think we're only 1 or 2 minutes from the centre of McLaren Vale town, and you'll obviously know McLaren Vale for its spectacular wines. So enjoy, hope you love it, let me know what you think. Another really cool history about the Salopian Inn. This building has actually been around since the 1800s. It has been renovated since, but the inside cellar area is actually part of the original building. And some more history for you. My grandma Emmy used to love coming here when she was little with her friends. And when I say when she was little, I think young adult with her friends. And we just last week said farewell to my grandma Em. She had a long and beautiful life, but I'm feeling also a little bit sentimental because knowing that she used to come here is pretty cool. Hope you've all enjoyed some time to have a bit of a break over the Christmas, New Year's, summer period. We are going to be back to business back in Victoria in a few days' time. I'm really interested to see how my garden's gone because I actually have no idea. So if you're new here, hit subscribe. We do garden tours, usually in Victoria, but obviously now around Australia, at least every month, usually every week or so. I have a whole playlist of garden tours. Go and check it out. As I said, pour yourself a cuppa or a vino if it's late in the day and that's your flavour, and enjoy.